Right, today is a day of learning because the dreaded has happened to me on this job. So when I was tiling this job the other day, dropped one of these and I've got a little chip in the bath there. So I've got the damage assist boys coming down to meet me and he's going to show us all how you repair a chip in a bath like that. It's actually extremely annoying because I've never had it happen in 11 years, so it had to happen at some point, but chip there, bounce down, a little chip in the bottom as well. So that's what we're going to be repairing today. I might learn a thing or two myself. We've got a bag of tools, the stuff and the secret recipe. Just so, you need to show the people what we need.
Right mate, right.
To repair this.
That's a nice wallop, isn't it? Right, I've got me Coke, because you ain't making a cup of tea. Noodles.
What flavour?
Oh, it's got me chicken, it won't work without anything else.
Got ya.
And some Mitre Bond.
Perfect. Let's get cracking. So this is the chip that we're going to be repairing, so get cracking. Perfect.
Put on a bit of noodles, a bit of flavour.
Sign that out. Happy days.
Just make sure there are chips in it.
We've got another little chip down the bottom as well that we didn't know. One up top, one down below. The chips filled in now. So this is like a base white. So we can massively see that that is so much brighter than the bath. So it will need tinting to get the perfect colour. So now after adding some more colours, we're getting closer to the match. Just trialing it. We're just drying it out and then that is it, all finished, chip prepared, and you would never ever know. It's incredible what these boys can do. These boys work all over the country and I'm just going to show you a few things that they can do with this stuff. It's so clever. Things that you think are unfixable, they make it look so easy when actually, after watching them today, it's a lot harder than you'd ever expect. But flicking through their page, have a little look at some of these things, like repairing a whole tile like that when there's no tiles left is just incredible that can be done. Baths in that state,